Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn two powerful English vocabulary words that will make your speech and writing stand out. The words are relinquish and repugnant. Let's get started. Word 1, relinquish, which means to give up something, to surrender, or to let go. Synonyms include renounce, abandon, release, surrender. For example, the king was forced to relinquish his throne after the revolution. She decided to relinquish her control over the project to give others a chance. So basically, whenever you stop holding on to something, whether it's power, control, or even a physical object, you relinquish it. Word 2, repugnant. Now the second word is repugnant. It means something that is disgusting, extremely unpleasant, or objectionable. Synonyms are disgusting, abhorrent, offensive, awful. For example, he found the smell of the spoiled food repugnant. Lying and cheating are repugnant to her values. So whenever something makes you feel gross or morally unacceptable, you can call it repugnant. So that's it for today, guys. Remember, relinquish equals to give up or let go. Repugnant equals something disgusting or offensive.